Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Nextdoor account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Nextdoor website. Just click on the sign in button if you haven't done so already and then log in to your account. Once you log in, you will end up on the home page where you can click on your account icon at the top right corner to go into the settings page by clicking on the gear icon. Now from the settings page, just scroll all the way down and you will find an option to deactivate your account. You can simply go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked for a reason for deactivating your account. Just go ahead and select any reason and then you will find the deactivate button. You can simply click on it and then you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. Just type in your password and complete the verification and then your account will be deactivated. Now in order to delete it, you simply need to refrain from logging in for the next 30 days. If you don't log in until that time, then your account will be deleted as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.